Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at subtraction of fraction. Let's look at some examples. You have 7 over 8 minus 3 over 8 is equals to, LCM is 8. 8 into 8 is 1, 1 times 8 is 7, minus 8 into 8 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4 over 8. Is equal to 4 into 4 is 1. And 4 into 8 is 2. So your answer is 1 over 2. 1 over 6 minus 3 over 10. The LCM is 30. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Minus 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So you have 5 minus 9 is minus 4 over 30. So 2 here is minus 2. 2 here is 15. So you have minus 2 over 15. 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3 is equals, the LCM is 15. 5 into 15 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 3 into 15 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2 over 15. 7 over 8 minus 5 over 16 is equals to, the LCM here is 16. 8 to 16 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Minus 16 into 16 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Is equals to 14 minus 5 is 9 over 16. 3 over 7 minus 2 over 7 is equals to 3 times 7 over 7 times 7 minus 2 times 7 over 7 times 7. So 3 times 7 is 21 over 7 times 7 is 49 minus 2 times 7 is 14 over 7 times 7 is 49. The LCM is 49. So you have 49 into 49 is 1. 1 times 21 is 21. Minus 49 into 49 is 1. 1 times 14 is 14. So 21 minus 14 is 7 over 49. Equals to 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 49 is 7. So your answer is 1 over 7. 4 over 11 minus 3 over 11. So you have 4 times 11 over 11 times 11 minus 3 times 11 over 11 times 11. 4 times 11 is 44 over 121 minus 33 over 121 is equals to, LCM here is 121. So 121 to 121 is 1. 1 times 41 is 44 minus 121 divided by 121 is 1. 1 times 33 is 33. So you have 44 minus 33 is 11 over 121. So equals to 11 divided by 11 is 1. 11 divided by 121 is 11. So your answer is 1 over 11. Thank you for watching.